Congratulations, for I know how much that you've been wanting to get in the TikTok affiliate program, the TikTok creator pilot program, and we're going to get you there at lightning speed. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and hit the 3 buttons on the bottom right. What that's going to do is it's going to open something else up. It's going to show a copy link and a repost. So what you're doing is you're actually copying the link to this video and you're reposting this video. You don't have to put it out there, but if you want to, if you feel like you get value from this video and it will help others, then you go ahead and you post that copy link to your social medias. Now, this video and my content is highly focused for the proper SEO, for the content that you're looking for, and for the ability to get into the TikTok creator program. So SEO, what it stands for is search engine optimization. What the algorithm is constantly looking for keywords that you are searching and that others are searching for, or for what you're trying to get into. So if you are clicking on things that say TikTok creator pilot program, TikTok affiliate shop, any of those things and the like, and you're reposting that content, it knows that you want to be part of it. Also, you'll go to the comments and you'll put in, I am so happy that I got accepted into the TikTok affiliate program. I am so grateful now that I got accepted into the TikTok pilot creator program. Whatever it might be, make sure to do it in the present tense. The algorithm is picking up as you have already been accepted. For those of you that have been in the wealth mindset and in the affirmations and abundant world, you know to live from that moment, from that you have already received that. You have already received, you are already accepted in, and I'm not going to leave you high and dry. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and like this video to help also push your content, get you up there and push this content as well. And then from there, I'm not going to leave you high and dry like everybody else does. In my channel, we are going to give you sales training, proper sales training. I am someone who have done over $1 million per month for many companies for many years in sales. I've also done 20 years of law of attraction training, hypnotherapy, NLP, mindset training, abundance codes, everything you can possibly think of, many years of meditation. We are going to get you to the exact point that you need to be so you feel like you deserve that wealth and that you are able to portray your message and your divine birthright, and you're going to be able to sell things like you never thought possible. So not only are you going to get accepted into this program at lightning speed, you go ahead and follow the channel if you want to get more amazing content that's going to help build your value for the way you see yourself, your mindset, and also your ability to sell things. And then we're going to get you on your correct path and what your actual true focus and niche is in your niche. So in your niche, we're going to get you into that proper place. We're going to get you your activation codes as long as you do one-on-ones with me as well, which will open you to a whole new world of your abundant mindset that you never even thought possible. And then also we're going to get you into a place where the money is going to be flowing in at such a rate where you're now going to be able to help your family and your friends. So go ahead and also put in the content what you would do with that overflowing abundant money, for you need to be trusted with it first before all of this unlocks for you. I love you very much. I am your abundance king, and I am here to awaken the divine birthright wealth that you deserve.